Good morning, children. Welcome to Rising Sun Premier School. Myself, Arvind Tomar. I am your computer teacher. Class 3rd, Chapter 2nd. Today's topic Introduction to Windows 10. So let's start with me. Introduction to Windows 10. Hello, children. Today I am going to tell you about the most important softwares. Okay, so Windows 10 like system software. Okay, it is called Windows 10. Okay, Windows 10 is the most recent version of the Microsoft Windows operating system. Okay, Windows 10 is the most recent version of the Microsoft Windows operating system. An operating system allows your computer to manage software and perform essential tasks. Okay, software and perform essential tasks. There have been many different versions of Windows over the years. Okay, many versions including Windows 8 released in 2012, Windows 7 2009, Windows Vista 2006, and Windows XP 2001, while older versions of Windows mainly run on desktop and laptop computers. Windows 10 is also designed to run equally well on tablets. Okay, it is desktop, laptop, and tablets. It is used Windows 10. Okay. Next, Windows about MS Windows 10. Okay, Windows 10 is the latest version of MS Windows operating system. Windows 10 is the latest version of MS Windows operating system. It provides a graphical user interface GUI. It provides a graphical user interface GUI to work on computer. Okay, it allows what you see is what you get environment WYSIWYG environment. Okay, it allows to open many programs at the same time. It allows to open many programs at the same time. Okay, it is very easy to use and learn. It is very easy to use and learn. There is no need to learn any command. There is no need to learn any command to operate the computer. It has some small pictures icon. It is called icons on in it, which you can use to perform different tasks with the help of mouse. Okay, fact file. Windows makes it possible to complete all types of everyday tasks on your computer. Okay, signing into Windows 10. Signing into Windows 10. Whenever you are using Windows 10 for the first time, the computer will ask you create a Microsoft account. Whenever you are using Windows 10 for the first time, the computer will ask you create a Microsoft account. Okay, this is create Microsoft account. For this you have to type your password into the box and press enter. Okay, navigation the desktop. Okay, once you sign in, the first thing you will see the desktop. Once you start your computer, you will see the desktop. Desktop is the main workspace for the computer, for your computer. Desktop the main workspace for your computer. From here you can view and manage your files, open applications, access the internet and much more. Okay, so first, like recycle bin. When you delete a file, it is moved to the recycle bin. When you delete a file, it is moved to the recycle bin. This allow you to recover the file if you change your mind. Okay, to permanently delete the file you need to empty the recycle bin. To permanently delete the file you need to empty the recycle bin. Folders on the desktop. Folders on the desktop. You can keep folder files and shortcuts on the desktop so they will be easily accessible. Okay, you can keep folder files and shortcut on the desktop so they will be easily accessible. Desktop background. The desktop background or wallpaper allows you to personalize your computer. You can choose a built-in background or use one of your own images. Okay, your images, use the desktop background. Okay, open folders. Open folders. When you double click a folder, it will open in a specialized program called File Explorer, also known as Window Explorer. Okay, this allows you to navigate to the specific folders or file you want. Okay, start button. Start button. So it is called start button. Sorry. In most version of Windows, you will click the start button to open the start menu. Okay, that's all for today. If you have any doubt or query, you have my mobile number. Please call me. Stay home and stay safe. Thank you.